Hi guys, welcome back to our mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make this cheese paneer paratha. First take a mixing bowl, then add 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of oil and a pinch of salt, and then mix them all together. Now add 3/4 cup of water. It took us 3/4 cup of water and it should be softer than a normal roti dough. And then knead it for 2 minutes and make a soft dough. Our dough is now ready. Now rest it for 10 minutes. Then take another mixing bowl, add half cup of cheese and half cup of paneer. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 green chili which is chopped and coriander leaf, 1/3 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And now sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Then mix them all well. And now it's ready for making paratha. After 10 minutes, open the lid of the dough and knead it for 1 minute. And then separate the dough equally. We did 4 pieces equally. You guys can do any pieces you want. And now we are going to take a portion of that and we are going to place it here. And then we are going to sprinkle some wheat flour on top of it. And then we are going to semi roll it. Then add our paneer mixture into it. And then we are going to seal it well. If you don't seal it well, it's going to be popped out when you're cooking it. After sealing properly, we are going to roll it again. This process is just similar like making a roti. And after rolling it properly like that, we are going to fry it. You can see how it is looking from up to bottom. It should be just like that. And then now we are going to fry it. First on the stove, then add a tawa and add 1 tablespoon of oil and then wait for the oil to heat up a little. And then we are going to add our paratha. And then we are going to flip and fry for 5 to 6 minutes from medium to high flame. We should press and do, or otherwise it won't be cooked inside also. After cooking for a while, it should look something like that. We are going to do the same process for other three ones. We fried the both sides for 5 to 6 minutes and now it is looking very good and tasty. Now we did the same process to the other threes, you guys can see. And then we are going to serve it with onions, lemons and achar. You guys can serve it with raita also. You guys can see the inside, how pretty and yummy it is looking. It is also very yummy and delicious. We are also trying with the lemons and onions. We also tried with the achar and it was very yummy. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.